Good morning, girls. How are you? Been a while, hasn't it? So today you've got your Maths Paper 2 exam. After this, I think there's only one more maths, which is good, isn't it? Um, I just want you to remember that you've had a week off, which you probably do know that, but it's very easy to get out of your routine when you've had that gap. Although the gap and the opportunity to have that week off um, is is really quite positive because it allows you to kind of have that break, slow back down again, and really reflect on what you've done so far. Now, let's be real here, you did not spend the whole week revising. And you know what? That's fine because you have to have that break as well. You Something I've been working on myself a lot is kind of recentering myself from a completely different place where you are. Um, but I didn't really know what that meant until the other day when I reflected back on what I'd been doing to be able to do that. And I think for you, it's been about just having that time away from the books, um, getting your head back into that space where it's not, oh, I've got an exam tomorrow, I've got an exam tomorrow. You've had the opportunity to really just bring yourself back down again, spend time with your family, spend time with each other to overcome that franticness that happened. And because of all the franticness, it also went really fast, didn't it? But you should be dead proud of yourself how far you've come. Now, I think in terms of days, this is like day 10 or something of GCSEs, and that means you were literally over that halfway mark, which is brilliant, which is fantastic. And I know this week is a little bit harder in terms of the amount of exams you've got, because I think for 2 or 3 of the days you've got 2 exams a day, which you never had that before half term. Um, so just ensure that you're not overwhelming yourself too much with thinking you've got to stay up all night revising for 2 different exams. You do need to kind of take a step back sometimes, have that break, and then go back to it. But for today, it's your maths exam, maths paper 2, and the sun is shining, so it's going to be shining in the exam hall. You already know where you're going to be sitting, so don't start panicking about that. You know, your seats haven't changed over half term, you'll still be in that same regular place. Okay, make sure you've had some breakfast and that you've got your bottle of water as well. And just wish each other good luck, cheer each other on. You should just be championing each other. It's not a competition of who gets the highest grade, and I'm sure that you girls all know that after being friends for so long. But yeah, it remember, this isn't something that you have done before. You did this for 2 weeks before half term, you have done it before, so it's not all brand new. Okay, so just try and eliminate any negative thoughts or feelings of pressure, and just go into it with your head held high, knowing that you've put the work in and that you are going to try your best to answer those questions. And you know, I think for your maths papers, you get points for even working stuff out. So even if you sat there thinking, I really don't know how to do this, I really don't know what the answer is, just give it your best shot. But don't let that hold you back from answering any of the other questions. Don't let, you know, the the experience of struggling with one question think, oh God, I might as well just not do it now and just totally give up. Don't let that happen. It's easy for me to say that, but every question equals a point. Yeah, so if you've got a couple of questions you don't know, don't worry too much. Just try your best, move on to the next one, and you can always go back to the other ones at the end. Okay, so make sure you're taking a deep breath, breathe in and out, and let the thoughts go. Okay, and go on to answer that question. So I'm wishing you all the best of luck today. So Jasmine, Abby, Izzy, Brooke, Georgia, Paris, and everyone else sitting their exam today. Good luck and look after each other.